In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy coupons online for Groupon. First, open your browser and search for Groupon. In the search bar at the top, type the word Groupon and press enter. You should see Groupon appear near the top of the search results, usually with a short description mentioning deals or discounts. Take a moment to confirm the address looks correct and that the result mentions the official Groupon site. This helps you avoid any lookalike pages that try to copy the brand. Once you see the search results, click the correct Groupon link and log in. The real site will load with the familiar green branding and a mix of deals on the homepage. Look toward the top right corner for the sign in or log in option, then enter your email and password. After logging in, you should see your account icon or your name in that top area, which confirms you are signed in and that any coupons you use will tie to your account. Now hover your mouse over coupons. Move your pointer to the top navigation bar and find the word coupons among the main menu items. Instead of clicking, just rest your mouse pointer over it. A drop-down menu or panel should appear below, often showing featured stores or popular coupon categories. This hover action is a quick way to reach all the coupon tools without leaving the main page. From there, type your target merchant or retailer name into the inner search bar. In the coupon section, look for a smaller search bar that sits inside the page, not the browser search. Click in that field and enter the name of the store where you plan to shop, such as a clothing brand or electronics retailer. As you type, Groupon may suggest matching retailers, and you can click one of those suggestions to jump straight to its coupon page. When you confirm the name and start the search, the page will refresh to show offers only for that store. Next up, browse the active grid of discount offers. You will see a grid or list of tiles, each showing a different coupon or deal. Every tile usually shows the type of offer, like a percentage off or free shipping, plus any short description of what it covers. Take a moment to read the fine print on each tile, such as minimum purchase amounts or category limits. An insider tip here: offers closer to the top are often the most recently updated and more likely to still work. After you find a coupon you like, click Get Code. A small window or box will pop up showing a code made of letters and numbers. Copy this case-sensitive string carefully, since capital and lowercase letters must match exactly. Keep this code handy, then go to the retailer checkout page and paste it into the promo or coupon code box. Once you apply it, you should see the total update to reflect the discount. Finally, click See Sale or Get Deal. This will open a redirected browser link that automatically embeds the coupon savings into your shopping session. A new tab or window appears with the retailer site, and you should see the sale prices or special offer already applied as you browse. Some deals may show a banner at the top of the retailer page confirming that a Groupon promotion is active, which tells you the tracking worked correctly. You have now learned how to find and use Groupon coupons for your favorite online stores, so if that saved you money today, please give a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more smart shopping tips.